In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is a fantastic project management tool that helps teams stay organized and on top of their work. One of its most powerful features is the ability to automate repetitive processes, like assigning tasks to specific team members. This not only saves time, but also ensures that no task is left unassigned or forgotten. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up an automation that automatically assigns tasks to the right person whenever they're created in a specific list. Let's dive in. First, start by navigating to the specific list in ClickUp where you want this automation to apply. This is the area where tasks will automatically be assigned to a chosen team member. Once you're on the right list, look over at the sidebar, hover your mouse over the name of the list you're working with. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon appearing next to the list name. This is where you'll find the options we need. Go ahead and click on that three-dot menu. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Automations. This will take you directly to the Automation Center for that list, where you can create and manage all sorts of task-related automation. Once you're in the Automation Center, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Add Automation. Click on it to start creating a new automation for this list. Now, you'll need to set a trigger for the automation. In this case, choose Task Created as the trigger. This means the automation will activate whenever a new task is created in the list. Next, you'll set the action that happens after the trigger. Under the Then Action section, select Change. This option allows you to specify what should be updated or modified in the task. At this point, you'll assign the tasks to a specific team member. From the drop-down menu, pick the person you want to assign all new tasks to within this list. Make sure to select someone who is part of your workspace and has access to the list. This step is crucial because if the selected team member doesn't have the right permissions, they won't be able to see or manage the tasks. Once everything is set up, review the details to make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with the automation, click Create to save it. Congratulations, you've successfully set up an automation to auto-assign tasks in ClickUp for this list. If you want this same automation to apply across multiple lists, you can repeat these steps at the folder or even the space level. This is a great way to ensure consistency and streamline task assignments across your project. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll find a registration link in the description below, so you can get started with this powerful tool today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.